Very good. C is for cat. D is for tell me now. Dog, dog, dog. That's right. D is for dog. E is for look at that. Egg, egg, egg. Excellent. E is for egg. F is for what's its name? Fish, fish, fish. Wonderful. F is for fish. G is for nice and loud. Goat, goat, goat. Great work. G is for goat. H is for what's on top? Hat, 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 hat. Perfect. H is for hat. I is for it's so cold. Ice, ice, ice. You got it. I is for ice. J is for jump so high. Jump, jump, jump. Well done. J is for jump. K is for fly it up. Kite, kite, kite. Good guessing. K is for kite. L is for hear him roar. Lion, lion, lion. Brilliant. L is for lion. M is for look up there. Moon, moon, moon. That's it. M is for moon. That was so much fun. Please subscribe so I can see you again soon.